Hi, I'm Laura from Graco. I'm going to show you how to assemble the Graco SmartSense Soothing Baby Swing. First, you will need the seat ring, recline assemblies, the provided screws, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Start by placing the seat ring smooth side down. Attach the left recline assembly, then flip it over to screw it into place. Do the same with the right recline assembly. Next, you'll need the seat pan and 4 additional screws. Attach the seat pan to the seat ring and fasten it with the remaining screws. Next, grab the seat tubes. Align them to the plastic openings in the seat frame and push down to secure. Next, attach the seat pad to the seat. Release the waist straps by pressing the button on the buckle. Wrap the top of the seat pad over the seat frame and insert the harness straps through the corresponding slots in the seat pad. Check that the shoulder straps, waist straps, and crotch strap are all pulled through the seat pad. Flip the seat back over and wrap the bottom portion of the seat pad around the frame. Finish by fastening the snaps. Next, attach the assembled seat to the swing base by lining up the seat legs with the cutouts in the base mounts and snapping them into place. Check that the buttons are visible in the seat base and that the seat is attached by pulling up. Grab the toy bar and insert it into the opening on the back of the seat. Now you can attach the plush toys to the toy bar. Now that your swing is fully assembled, it's time to plug it in and get it started. Press the power button to turn on the swing. Start or increase the swing speed by simply pressing the up arrow button. Press the down arrow for a slower speed. To turn the motion off completely, press the down arrow button 3 times. There are 4 different swinging motions on your swing. To change the swing motion, simply press the swing motion button to cycle through all options. To add vibration to your swing, press the vibration button to cycle through low, high, and off options, and choose your desired setting. Start or increase the sound volume by pressing the volume up button. To decrease it, press the volume down button. Press volume down 3 times to turn off sound. You can choose from a variety of sounds on your swing. Simply press the play skip button to cycle through music, white noise, and nature sounds. To skip to the next song while in music mode, press and hold the play skip button. To use the SmartSense cry detection feature, ensure the swing is powered on and then select the cry detection button. The baby face icon in the middle of the screen will light up, which means the feature is enabled. When SmartSense detects that a baby is crying, the baby face icon in the middle of the screen will light up, which means the feature is enabled. When SmartSense detects that baby is crying, the rings around the baby face will illuminate, indicating that the technology is working to stop tears in their tracks. If SmartSense detects that crying has stopped, the baby face will remain illuminated and the rings around the baby face will turn off while product listens for the next cry. Press the cry detection button again to turn it off. Press the power button again to turn off the swing. It will take a few seconds for the swing to stop moving. Now you are ready to use your swing.